Hello everybody and welcome back, and here I am right now on my laptop, which I will use in order to show you this process of gathering the 4-way handshake from a wireless access point. Now, as I said, I am using the laptop because I have my wireless network card put in monitor mode right here, or basically I have the option to put it in monitor mode right here, and on my Kali Linux machine I don't have that option. So once again, if your card cannot be put into monitor mode, you will need to buy a different card, which can be found cheap online for just $10, and then you will be set to go. Now, before we begin with the attack itself, I will show you how to put your card into monitor mode, or basically how you can check if your card can be put into the monitor mode. So once again, if you are on the Kali Linux machine, make sure you first off connect your wireless adapter and your wireless networking card, and once you do that, basically the process is the same for me and for you. So let me just enter my root mode right here. Just open up your terminal and basically type there ifconfig. Once you type that, you will see your available networking interfaces, and you will see your wireless networking interface, which basically for me right now is WLO1. Now for you it will probably be called something different, so make sure you remember that name, since you will specify it in every command we use from now on in this section. So in order to first of all check which mode your card is, in which mode your card is at the moment, just type in your terminal iwconfig, and it will show you that your wireless networking card is currently in the managed mode. It is in that mode by default, and it is used once you just surf the internet and basically do anything else once you connect to the wireless access point. But we do not want our access point, our network card to be in managed mode. We want it to be in monitor mode. Now, in order to put it in monitor mode, first of all you need to send your networking interface down, which you do with this command, so ifconfig, and after that you type space and then the name of your network card, which in my case is WLO1. Now in your case it is probably something different, so make sure you specify your networking card interface instead of mine. If you just copy this command, it will not work for you. So after you type your networking card interface name, after that just type space and then down. This will, once you press enter, this will send your networking interface down, and as you can see right now I will not be connected to the internet since I put my networking interface down. And you will also not be able to see it once you type the ifconfig command. Now, right now what we want to do, since we put it down, we want to put it into monitor mode. And how we do that? We do that with this command, iwconfig, then space, then the name of your network card, which in my case is WLO1, and then type after that mode monitor. So just like that, just press enter, and if this command executes without problem, that means that your network card can be put into monitor mode and you should be good to go. If you have problem running this command or it doesn't want to execute, you will need to buy a new network card that has monitor mode option in it. So if you did all of this and it worked, the next thing you want to do is put your network card interface back up. So type here ifconfig WLO1 and then up. And once again, as we can see in the previous command, once we run iwconfig, it gave us that our networking card is in the mode managed. But now if we type that once again, iwconfig, we can see that currently our card is in the monitor mode. So that's how you put your card into monitor mode, and if you executed this without any errors, you are good to go, and we will continue with the attack in the next lecture, and hope I see you there, and take care. Bye.